Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS Prelims High Yielding Series for Prelims 2020, and the topic for today's videos is Chitra Gene Lamp N test in the context of COVID. So before getting into the details of this news item, let us understand what is the significance of a gene. Basically, gene is a unit of hereditary information, and it is the point where all the information required for synthesis of proteins, which is very crucial for DNA, is important. So except in some viruses which have genes consisting of closely related compound called ribonucleic acid, genes are mostly composed of deoxyribose nucleic acid. So there is a test called reverse transcription. The methodology used is reverse transcription. So this particular test is important in the phenomena of reverse transcription, and it is a quantitative detection method for finding out the presence of coronavirus in our body. So Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute for Medical Sciences and Technology, which is very important, and it is under the Department of Science and Technology, it developed a diagnostic kit. So it can confirm COVID-19 in 2 hours at a very low cost. So right now the time is somewhere between 24 to 48 hours depending upon the test kit. Again, we have to understand that for science and technology preliminary level exam, it is not the actual biology, chemistry and physics that is being asked in the exam. It is only the application part that is of major significance. Having said that, it doesn't mean that we shouldn't be learning the concept at all. So to simplify things, let me put it this way. RNA cannot directly replicate itself in our body. So the virus attaches to our body and then it transforms itself into DNA and then replicates. So there is an enzyme called reverse transcriptase which is used to generate complementary DNA copy from RNA that is available from the virus. So what it actually does is, this test will create a DNA copy of the RNA and extract it. So if that DNA has residues of virus, it can confirm that there is coronavirus in our body. So all this is done with the help of two steps. First one is the enzyme called reverse transcriptase, and then with a technology called isothermal amplification, it will speed up the process at a temperature of 60 to 65 degrees. So these are the two important steps that you have to know at a very rudimentary level. So this RT-PCR, the test that we are talking about, is also based on reverse transcriptase phenomenon only. This phenomenon is called reverse transcription. So the present PCR kits take a lot of time. So they try to detect a gene called E gene for screening, and there is another gene called RDRP gene for confirmation. Now avoiding all that, in only one test there is a possibility of confirmation of COVID, that is Chitra Gene Lamp N gene test. So this will cost less than 1000 rupees per test, unlike the RT-PCR test which costs around 2500 to 3000. So that is the advantage of this test. Now let us try to solve this question. Which of the following statements is correct regarding RT lamp test? So basically, Chitra Gene Lamp test or RT lamp test are one and the same. So the technology behind that is RT lamp, that is reverse transcriptase loop mediated isothermal amplification. So let us try to answer this question. It is a nucleic acid based test. Like I've told you, what this test basically does is it tries to isolate the replicated DNA particle or the element from the body and looks for coronavirus. So it is very cost effective. Yes, it can perform this under 1000 rupees. It is an indigenous technology. Yes, this is also true. So the answer is all the above. This question is a revision question from our previous video regarding the Korean Armistice Agreement. So please go back to that video and try to answer this question. It is a very important current affairs question. So please revise it once again before answering this question. That's it for this video. Thanks for now.